Alright, I figured I'd give you guys a quick little rundown of the winter project. So, I ended up getting two 55 Chevys. I'm going to use this 2-door as a donor to make that 4-door a 2-door. Now, this one here is pretty rough. I mean, I don't know if it's going to show up that well on camera or not, but the front clip's actually not too bad. I'll probably end up piecing that out and selling it away there. The big thing to find was these doors. This door's not bad. Unfortunately, it's been welded onto the car at some point in its life and everything. And I mean, this car, as much as I'd like to kind of bring it back, the quarter panels are just Swiss cheese, miscellaneous, hitting the back all the way around. The trunk floor's hammered right through the front. Inner fenders and all that are all kind of, they've had it. Bumper's all twisted up. In the back, same thing on this side. It's seen better days. And I mean, anything is fixable, but how much time and money do you want to put in something? This door's not in quite as good a shape there, but still fixable and workable. Both rockers, they're finished, inner and outer. Inside, same thing. The floor it's seen better days. Every little piece of this car, it needs a little bit of love, and I mean, it's just time and money, I guess. Everything's available, but with the car came with a 4-door. So since they have the same roof line, it's not as big of a job to make it into a 2-door post car. And since I kind of want to be a bit of a ratty, you know, 2-lane blacktop looking thing anyways, figured it'll be good for what I'm trying to do. Same thing, the front clip on this one's actually real nice, so I want to go with a fiberglass flip front end, so I'll probably be able to sell some stuff, make some money back. The floors on this one, they've been patched up in a few spots here, but overall, not too bad. The quarters, they're a little hammered up, but they're all steel on both sides. Trunk floor, same thing. Everything's in really decent shape on this thing, so everything's fixable. It needs a few floor braces underneath. You can buy that, no problem. And like I said, by the time I put a fiberglass deck lid and a flip front end, hopefully, wouldn't be a big deal. Then all I gotta do is chop apart the door and the latch and whatnot from the 2-door, put it in there and put it all together and have a fun little cheap car, hopefully. So guess we'll see how it goes. Otherwise, that's pretty much everything.